Hi students, it's Michelle, one of the librarians. I wanted to talk to you about library support for your next assignment for Professor Robello. You already know that the library does a lot online from Library 10, and we created a research guide for this assignment, and I wanted to walk you through the steps of that guide. So there are 3 steps to this research guide: searching an art store, an image database, identifying keywords to search effectively, and finding sources. You can navigate here on the left side, or you can scroll down to the bottom right and there's a button here to go to the next page. So first off, library collections are available 24/7 online, and you can use your Web Advisor, Canvas login, and password to access library resources. And librarians are also available. We're still here. We want to help you get through this now more than ever. So please contact us if you run into any problems, have any questions using this Ask a Librarian form, and a librarian will follow up with you. So as I said, the first step is searching an art store, our image database. And you're going to look in there for the artist you're researching and then try to identify what are some of the relevant keywords for this artist. And we're going to use those to search for information. I'm going to go down to this button on the right to move to the next page. This page reviews how to use those keywords to search. So how to combine those keywords to search effectively. And it reviews some basic search tips and some advanced search tips. I'm going to use this button to go to the next page. This last page, now that you know a little bit about your artist, that you've identified some keywords that are relevant to that artist, you're going to go ahead and start searching. So there's a video here that reviews how to search in OneSearch using keywords, and also how to narrow down and refine your results using those limiters on the left-hand side. So please watch that video first, and then go ahead and start searching in OneSearch. I'm hoping you'll find 2 to 4 sources, and then of those sources that you pick your very best one that is the most useful for this assignment, and share it with Professor Robello and your peers. All right, good luck. Keep in touch. Let us know how we can help.